Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we will going to learn how to add page number in Canva. So as of now, Canva do not automatically make the page numbers. We have to do it manually. So today I will tell you the hack to add the page numbers to all the pages in just a fraction of second. So let's get started. Here we are in the Canva create a design section. We will choose calendar. This is just an example page number to any kind of your document. I am just giving you an example. So if I choose this one and we have 13 pages. So manually adding one by one pages is many times a lazy task, and it is 13 pages. Many times we have many number of pages. So how we are going to do it? So I will show you. Firstly, this Canva document, which is, for example, we have taken it a calendar, which is very beautiful. Now we will click on the share, and in the download section we will choose the PDF print all the 13 pages. Now we will download it. So now here comes our main hack, how to add page numbers to all pages in just a fraction of second. So I will choose ilovepdf.com. Here on the first link you have to click. Here you will get all the options like merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, and on scrolling down you will get this page number. You have to just click it here, and in this select the PDF file. You have to select your downloaded PDF. So here I have uploaded the PDF. So now you have So now you can see these red dots. These red dots are the illustration that here we have to have the page numbers. So from here you can change the positions also. Like if I click on the facing pages, now the page number will not show in this design or the photo. It will show in the text written. So I am choosing the facing pages. Here you can explore the many other options also. If you want page number to be here, to here, or any other, you can just select it or just play around it. Wherever you like it, you can finalize it. I am choosing the defaulted one. Now we have the option of margin. I will choose the recommended one, and you have the option to numbering the pages. Like you can start the numbering from 2 to 3 or 4, or you can start from 1 also. So I don't want my first page to be numbered since it is just a design. So I will choose to get the page number from page number 2. So here in the text option you will get insert only page number, that is it will show 1 2 3 4 like this. And if you choose this will show like page 1, and this will page 1 of 13 like that. Or you can add the custom also, whatever you like. I will choose the recommended one to show you. Here you can have the text formats also. You have some limited kind of fonts here. Font size also available. Bold, italic, underline, all these options are available, and this is absolutely free. You don't have to even sign up for this. Just go on the Google and type it and you will get it. Now we have done all the settings. Now I will click on add page numbers. Here we have to click on download PDF number. It will get download. So here we have downloaded it in a page number format. Now again you have to go to Canva and upload that file. So here we got our design. In many times when we download this from the Canva and then upload it in that PDF website and then again download it, many of the elements get shuffled here and there. So we have to adjust it. So now you can change the elements, like you can change the size also. So here we got the page number. From here you can just bold it or increase the size, or you can shift it to wherever you want. So like this you have to shuffle it. a little bit of changes and it will all be done. You have to just check all the elements, or you can add the other elements also. Like this, in just free and in quick time, you have added the page number to your any kind of document. This is just example. Calendar, you can add page numbers to any kind of your document, any number of your documents in a free and easy format. So this is all for today. So please do subscribe guys, hit the like button and comment down if you really like my content. Your one appreciation comment will really motivate me to make many such amazing content. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for many such amazing content.